Leonard Bartholomew IV was with his family as they were trying to make their way across the Danziger Bridge to get to Winn-Dixie when the gunfire rang out. He told the jury, quote, "I jumped over the barricade and jumped down and covered my head." Before jumping down, Officer Ignatius Hills shot at the teen twice. Former Officer Kevin Bryan testified today he saw Hills shoot, but after he missed, Bryan himself ran down to Bartholomew and slapped him across the face. Bryan told the jury, quote, "I was ashamed of my actions." He said adrenaline and getting lost in the heat of the moment contributed to those actions. Bartholomew told the jury after getting slapped and kicked, he was taken to a Greyhound bus station and simply dropped off. Bartholomew would later board a bus to Baton Rouge with a stranger who took him in until he reunited with his family. During cross-examination by the defense, Kevin Bryan admitted he had trouble recalling what he testified to the grand jury, as defense attorneys were able to point out a number of inconsistencies in his story. But Bryan did admit he neglected to tell any of his superiors, including Sergeant Arthur Kaufman, that Hills shot at Bartholomew or that he slapped the teen. After Bryan, State Police Lieutenant Michael Barron took the stand. Barron responded to the scene on the Danziger Bridge after he heard a report of officer down. Barron described what happened when he arrived on the bridge, saying, quote, "I asked the police officer next to me, 'What's going on?' and then gunfire went off." Barron said defendants Robert Falcon and Robert Gisevius jumped into a squad car to cross the bridge. They came upon 3 men, 2 of whom were the Madison brothers. Barron said the defendants told him, quote, "Let's go get 'em." Then Barron got out of his squad car and arrested Lance Madison. At the same time, he heard a shot ring out and saw Robert Falcon aiming a rifle at Ronald Madison, who was lying on the ground. According to Barron, Falcon said, quote, "I got him."